How to create event management website in Wix. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create an event management website in Wix. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and kindly go to wix.com. And if you haven't signed up for Wix yet, you can check the video description below for a special discount link. Now going back in here, if you don't know Wix, it is a cloud-based website development platform that enables users to create websites using a variety of tools and features, in which it is known for its user-friendly interface, allowing individuals and businesses to build their online presence without requiring extensive technical knowledge. And some of the features that they provide including website builder, templates, app market, customization, mobile optimization, e-commerce, and many more. And to get started, you could also click this button on the top right corner that says Get Started. And upon signing up, you will be directed on this page. And below here under My Site section, you will be able to see a variety of your website that you have now created if you already have an account in Wix. So this is basically some of the websites that have now been created. But if you want to create a new one, you can simply click the Create New Site button on the top right corner. However, in this video, I'm just going to select a website that have now been created recently. And after that, you will be directed on this page. And from here, just proceed by clicking Edit Site button on the top right corner. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here. So this is basically my website, and you will see on the left side panel some of the options that you could also use or the editing tools that you can navigate. We have here Add Elements, Add Section, Pages and Menu, Site Design, and many more. But in those options to proceed, kindly click the Add Apps option. And upon clicking on it, the next thing that you need to do is to go to the search bar of Wix App Market, which is on the left side panel, and kindly enter the word Events. And below the results of your search, just click this Wix Events and Tickets. And after that, from here, just click Add to Site button below. And after clicking on it, it will show you the Wix Events and Tickets that are currently loading, and all you need to do is to wait for it to load. And after that, it will show you the Wix Events. And after that, you could also simply drag it down or up to change the location of it to your website. And after changing the location to your website, the next thing that you need to do is to simply click Manage Event below here. And upon clicking on it, it will show you a pop-up window. And from here to proceed, kindly click Add Event button on the top right corner. And upon clicking on it, it will show you in here, in which the next thing that you need to do is to simply choose the event type, in which we have here Ticketed Event, which offer paid or free tickets, which is to set currency and tax. It is preferred for classes, workshop, or conference. Or you can choose the RSVP, which is perfect for weddings, private events, and parties. And after that below, you also need to fill out all of the required information such as the event name. And I'm going to enter here Workshop 101. And below here, you could also add a short teaser or a few words under the name of the event to inspire the guests. And after that below is the events category, in which I'm going to enter sports. And aside from that, you can even add an image by simply clicking this plus button under event image. And after that below here, if you scroll down, you also need to fill out the date and time, in which you can specify the date, the time, the end date, and the end time. And aside from that below is the location or where the event is taking place, and you can choose either physical location or online location. But I'm going to choose the physical location, and after that below, just enter the location of your event. And it will show you the Google map for the exact location of your event. And aside from that below here, you could also enter additional details about the event, and you can make it bold, italic, or underlined. And now, after filling out all of the required information for creating an event, just proceed by clicking Create Draft button on the top right corner. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to add the tickets. And to do that, below, just click Create Tickets button. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here And below here, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information, such as the ticket name, the description of your ticket, but that is just only an optional. And after that below, if you scroll down, the next thing that you need to do is to enter or choose your pricing method. We have here fixed price, price option, pay what you want, and free. But in those options, I'm going to choose the fixed price. So kindly click the fixed price. And after that, if you scroll down below here, the next thing that you need to do is to enter the fixed price. And you can even choose the currency that you prefer. So for instance, I'm going to choose USD, and the price of it is $30. And after that, below the ticket quantity, you can choose either unlimited number of tickets available, or you can enter the specific quantity that is available. So for instance, the limited number of tickets available are only 50 tickets. And below here, you will also see the ticket fee, in which it will charge a service fee for each ticket sold. And you can choose who pays the fee, such as pass fee onto the buyer or absorb fee. But I'm going to choose pass fee onto the buyer, in which the fee will be shown in addition to the price ticket at checkout. And aside from that, if you scroll down here, you will see the ticket policy and also the advanced settings, which is only optional to turn on. And now to proceed, kindly click Create Ticket on the top right corner. And upon clicking on it, it will show you that the ticket has now been created. And after that, if you go to the Overview section under this event, and by simply clicking the review, you will be able to double check how guests register, decide on the emails you send, and many more. But I'm going to skip this part and proceed by adding the payment method to choose how guests pay for tickets. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here under the Accept Payments. From here, you can connect your PayPal account to allows you to accept PayPal payments, or you could also choose manual payments that allows you to accept cash, check, or other form of customs payment. And by simply clicking Disconnect, you'll be able to be directed in here, and all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information, such as your email address of your PayPal and also your password, and proceed by clicking Connect to proceed. And after connecting the payment methods, you can just simply go back to this page and proceed by clicking the Publish button on the top right corner, in which upon clicking on it, you will see on the top panel that your event has now been published, and you can even promote or choose later. And to see what your event looks like in your website, just close this window right here, and you will see here what your events looks like when the customers try to purchase or buy tickets from your events. And as you can see, there are no picture included, but you will see here the title, the date, and also the location of our events. And now to save these changes to our website, kindly click the Publish button on the top right corner in order to save the changes. So that is just how you can create an event management website in Wix. Thank you.